Here we are in my Google Drive. I'm going to show you how to take a Microsoft Word document that's uploaded into Drive and put it into Pages. The reason you would do that is the Pages just generally reads the documents a little bit smoother using Voiceover. So I'm going to go down to Macbeth Act 4, Scene 1. On the right there are 3 dots. I'm going to press the 3 dots. And I say Open In. It's preparing to export it. You'll see that Pages hasn't actually populated in the options yet, so I'm going to go to More. Another sub menu will pop up. I'm going to go to Copy to Pages. Import details. This document may look different in Pages. That's okay. I'm going to press Done. So here we are. I've set up Macbeth Act 4 in a table. On the left-hand side is the traditional text. On the right-hand side is the modern text. I'm just going to switch my view from thumbnails to a single page view. There you are. I'm going to turn on Voiceover.
Voiceover on. Pages. Documents. Button.
I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to move the Voiceover cursor onto the table.
Table 1. Paginated. Rows 1 to 8 of 53. Columns 1 to 4 of 4. Double tap to select. Size. 16.5 centimeters wide. 22.0 centimeters tall. Position. 11.5% from left. 11.8% from top. Traditional text. Row 1. Column 2. Double tap to select. Use the rotor to access document headings, links, misspelled words, annotations, bookmarks.
I'm going to open the rotor.
Links, misspelled words, annotations, bookmarks, words, speaking rate, containers, headings, rows.
I did that by turning it like a dial on this top of the screen. I'm in rows now, and I can click down to go down each one of the tables.
A witch's haunt, thunder. Enter the 3 witches. Row 2. Double tap to select.
If I want to go right, I just flick right.
A dark cave, thunder. Witches enter. Column 3. Double tap to select.
To go back, I flick left.
A witch's haunt, thunder. Enter the 3 witches. Column 2.
If I want to go down,
double tap to select.
Down.
First witch, thrice the grinded cat half mewed. Row 3. Double tap to select.
The reason I've set it up in a table with the traditional text and the modern text is so that if you don't quite understand what's being said in the traditional text, you can just flick over to the modern text and listen to it, then flick back.
Second witch, thrice and once the hedge pig whined. Row 4. Double tap to select. Contains comment. Third witch, harp ear cries. 'Tis time, 'tis time. Row 5.
Now you
double tap to select.
That it say it contains a comment. To open the comment can be a little bit tricky. And usually the comments that are being added is supplementary information that would benefit the student so they can understand the text to a greater degree. What we're going to do that, I'm going to open up annotations by going to the rotor.
Document headings, links, misspelled words, annotations.
I'm going to flick down. It will go down to the next annotation. I'm going to flick back up so that I can actually hear the annotation of the line that I'm currently on.
Selected. Contains comment. Third witch. Harp ear cries. 'Tis time. 'Tis time. Grayish pink red highlight. Comment. Harp ear the familiar of the third witch by Bomoyer. Adam.
That time I didn't have to flick down and up. I just had to flick down and it worked automatically, which is great. If you go down 1, 2, 3 more rows, there's going to be another annotation. I could just use the rotor, go back to rows, go down all 3, but I'll just give you an idea how it works. I'm just using annotations. Annotations right now will flick through all the annotations on the screen. It'll find them for you.
Selected. Contains comment. Second witch. Fillet of a fenny snake. In the cauldron boil and bake. Eye of newt and toe of frog. Wool of bat and tongue of dog. Adder's fork and blindworm sting. Lizard's leg and howlet's wing. For a charm of portful trouble. Like a hell broth boil and bubble. Grayish pink red highlight. Comment. Blindworm a harmless kind of legless lizard thought poisonous by Elizabethan by Bomoyer. Adam.
And that's how you can use Voiceover to navigate through the text, listen to annotations that are attached to the text, and be able to access both the traditional and modern text at the exact same time.
Voiceover off.